Hello everyone, I am back once again to help you out with a new tutorial video about how to log in Splitwise app. So if you are watching us for the first time, make sure to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for new informative videos like this. Without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, make sure you have downloaded the right app. After that, open it up. After opening the app, you'll see these options from which you have to choose login. Here you have to fill up your email address and password that you kept while creating new account. After filling that up, click on login. So this is how you log into Splitwise app. Hope this video was very informative. If this was informative, make sure you give us a big thumbs up. To meet up us in new video, make sure you subscribe. See you in next video. Bye bye.